First off, you are going to need some weave. You gotta make sure that they are platinum blonde. I think this is platinum blonde. They are very blonde. You're also gonna need a mixing bowl. Don't watch that. I was doing a little bit of, you know, mixing. Some conditioner, a whole bunch of hair dye. Now, I have been dyeing hair for a long time, and all this time I still do not know how many bottles of hair dye I really need. So usually when I go to the shop, I will get like 5 or 6. And you're gonna need a couple of these brushes, okay? All right, let's get started. Okay. So this is the newest hair. We got the medium hair, and then we got the old hair. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm actually gonna start with this one. I'm gonna go and get a new bin bag. So I folded it 2 times, so one like this and one like that. And we're gonna start with the mixing. I've got sunshine orange and I've got orange blaze. I'm gonna pour it in there just like that. So I've poured out like half of the bottle. And then you're gonna get your conditioner and you're gonna mix that in. Around the same amount of hair dye you put in. And boom, we're just gonna mix and we're gonna go, okay? You have to be careful with the frontal because you don't want to get any of the orange on the actual lace. So we're just literally gonna do the ends. Okay, so it's time to do the frontal. I've got my little Pokeball full of these kind of pins. And when you get to the roots, I'm gonna zoom in so you can see what I'm doing. I literally turn the brush this way and start brushing it like that. So you can get all the roots as well. But we do not want it to touch the lace. You know what, I got guys thinking I could use the foil because I wanted to look all professional on that, but I don't really care. I'm gonna leave it for about 20 minutes to 30 minutes to an hour, and then I'm gonna wash it off. So I have washed and I've dried the hair, and this is the color that it's come out as. This is the exact kind of vibrant orange that Alexis Skyy had, so I'm very happy with the way it turned out. Frontal as well is very lovely. And you can see with the way I did it, I did not miss out any baby hairs. If you follow my directions perfectly, you shouldn't get any hair dye on the lace itself. Okay, so when you put your skin up underneath it, you should still just see your roots. Okay, honey? Yes. So anyway, thank you guys for joining me, and if you made it to the end, kudos to you. Next up, I will be making the actual wig. So if you want to see how I made the wig, please go to the link in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more of me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.